Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how we're going to make some cute nose cuffs. So first, you're going to take your 18 gauge wire. I actually have 20 gauge because I couldn't find 18. But you're going to get some 18 gauge wire. Stretch it out and cut it at your desired length. So I just straightened the wire back out. Now I'm going to take my pliers, not the ones to cut it, but the ones to just round off the ends. I'm going to take that and curl it under. And after you round off the top part so it doesn't like stick you in the nose, it's really up to you on how you want your design. I just say go with the flow and just, go with your heart says. So I just continue to use my round nose pliers and play with the design until I somewhat start to form the design that I want. So once you've got the design that you want, you're going to go to the other end that has not been rolled down and just roll it down. That's going to be the part that sticks on the inside of your nose. Now you're just going to curve it in the middle so it fits around your nose so it doesn't just fall off. And this is where I actually realized that I might have actually cut too much wire in the beginning, because this was going to be like almost touching my brain on the inside of my nose. So I'm going to end up making the design on the front a little bit different. And then you are done. You can always curve it a little more where it doesn't have that metal piece like showing on the inside of your nose. But I actually didn't mind that look. So yeah. Now I'm just showing you guys some of the other nose cuffs that I've made. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These nose cuffs are pretty quick, simple, fun to make, and you can be creative. So see you guys next video. Bye guys.